When it comes to home improvements that can elevate the value of your Gaithersburg property, one often overlooked yet incredibly impactful update is window replacement. Whether you're considering selling your home or simply enhancing its aesthetics and energy efficiency, upgrading your windows offers numerous benefits that can make a significant difference in your property's value. Boost curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers or visitors will notice. Old, outdated, or damaged windows can create an eyesore, detracting from your home's overall curb appeal. Replacing your windows with modern, sleek designs can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your home's exterior. In Gaithersburg, where homes can vary in style from colonial to modern, a new set of windows can provide a much-needed refresh, giving your house a contemporary look that attracts more interest. Modern windows come in a variety of materials, including vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum. Each offers unique aesthetic advantages and functionality, allowing homeowners to choose the best option to complement their home's architectural style. Whether you opt for clean, minimalist lines or a classic, traditional design, new windows can transform your property's appearance, increasing its marketability and perceived value. Improve energy efficiency. Gaithersburg residents are no strangers to fluctuating temperatures, with hot summers and chilly winters. Your home's energy efficiency plays a vital role in its value, and outdated windows can be a significant source of heat loss or gain, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. By replacing old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models, you can greatly improve your home's insulation. Energy-efficient windows come equipped with features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fillings that minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Not only will this reduce your carbon footprint, but it will also save you money on utility bills. These energy-saving benefits are attractive to potential buyers, particularly those interested in long-term savings, which makes your home more appealing in a competitive real estate market. Increase natural light and ventilation. Another reason to consider replacing your windows is the ability to increase natural light and improve ventilation within your home. In Gaithersburg, where homes can sometimes feel confined due to aging window designs, new windows can open up your living spaces, making them feel more airy and welcoming. Larger or more strategically placed windows allow more natural light to enter, brightening your home and creating a more open, inviting atmosphere. Increased light can also improve your home's energy efficiency by reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Additionally, windows that open easily provide better airflow, which can enhance indoor air quality and make your home more comfortable year-round. These quality-of-life improvements contribute to the overall value of your home, as they align with buyer desires for brighter, healthier living spaces. Increase home security. Outdated windows may be more vulnerable to break-ins, a concern that can lower your home's appeal to prospective buyers. New windows come with modern, high-security features such as multi-point locking systems and tempered or laminated glass, which are more resistant to breakage. Investing in secure windows not only gives you peace of mind but also increases the perceived safety of your home, an attractive feature for potential buyers. Add to resale value. The return on investment, ROI, for window replacement is substantial. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their window replacement costs, especially when the work is done professionally and with high-quality materials. In Gaithersburg, where homebuyers are increasingly looking for properties with modern upgrades and energy-efficient features, the appeal of new windows is undeniable. This means that when it's time to sell your home, you can expect to see a return on your investment through a higher resale value. Conclusion: incorporating new windows into your Gaithersburg home is one of the smartest upgrades you can make to enhance both its function and aesthetics. Not only do new windows improve curb appeal and energy efficiency, but they also increase natural light, improve security, and contribute to long-term cost savings. Whether you plan to sell your home in the near future or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a modern, energy-efficient living space, replacing your windows is an investment that pays off, both immediately and in the long run.